Want to know how to work with collections in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily work with collections. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. So collections in Java store and manage groups of data. So right here, starting with the easiest one, we got ArrayList. So in this code, we have imported java.util.asterisk, which gives us access to all collection types. Then we created a list of strings, just like a dynamic array. We added two items, that is apple and banana, and finally we printed it out. So you can see the system.out.println and then the added list, that is apple and banana. This array list can grow or shrink. You don't have to define a fixed size like normal arrays. You can even sort it, remove items, and look through it easily. It's used everywhere, in web apps, games, and even simple to-do lists. If you are new to collections, ArrayList is where you start. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and remain with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.